one clarification on that कोमलीदाद आहे ते अमेंडमेंट हाडला पळय henceforth म्हटलं आणि फाटल्या आल्या तर कितें आसतलें सर
Henceforth it is. Basically, it is what is one. Suppose if any Komnidar, now if anyone applies for Komnidar land, for any, maybe institute, for say maybe for industry or anything. So it will, the moment it is been allotted to that person, for whatever purpose it is allotted, that will be the purpose. So they cannot deviate from that purpose.
Okay, so but what happens to the earlier one? फाटल्या इश्यू झाल्या पळय आता illegalities बघायला.
No, this is basically, see, you cannot go back to history.
Correct.
Because you need to be, basically, you should start from somewhere. So we have started from today.
Okay.
So no one basically will be able to take any land from Komnidar for one purpose and utilize it for something else.
So how would you resolve the earlier matters then? Which are there in litigation, so any issues are happening?
No, that, see, about litigation and all, that will follow a due process. We have got nothing to do with that. We have come up with this thing. It is such, means the old cases which has happened, it should not happen in future. So let us come to that.
But just one thing, sir, clarity म्हणतात की फाल्यां कोणाने हे आल्या, so where this new law would be not applicable for earlier issues or cases or anything.
See, Anand, see, it will not be available for review. Is not a thing. It is a thing. If suppose we cannot go back to the history. We will need to basically start from somewhere. So we are starting saying any land which has been allotted or you asking allotment from the Komnidar, they should be utilized for the purpose which you are taking the land for, and it cannot be deviated from that.
Sir, unemployment data आयल्लो सर फाटल्या
See,
दिसांनी.
that is totally wrong. Our commissioner actually had gone to Delhi. They had a meeting with the Labour Minister, Central Labour Minister. He has pointed out this issue. See, this data basically has not come from the Labour Department. Okay. And actually, who should basically, the Planning and Statistics Department, they are the people actually who should follow up with them. So this is totally a wrong data, and we don't accept.
So CM is going to Delhi.
Yeah.
Any repulsion chances are there? CM Delhi होता.
He told you, no, there is going to Delhi, so ask him please.
What is your
सांग.
फाटल्या दिसांनी म्हणजे इलिगल घरां ती रेग्युलरायज करता म्हटलें ती खंय रायट
खंयची इल्लीगल घरां?
जायती आहा तितून फाटल्या
खंयची घरां ते सांग मरे. खंयची ते सांग. इल्लीगल अमेंडमेंट आहात मरे, रूल आहात मरे, ते चालू आहा मरे.